Hi, if you're curious whether Google Pixel Watch 3 supports WhatsApp, let's find out together. For that, we need to press the scroll to open list of apps, and here find Play Store, which looks like that. And right now, let's just tap this search icon and say WhatsApp. And now let's search for this app. And as you can see, yes, this watch supports WhatsApp, so we can immediately tap it and tap this blue button to install this app. So now let's wait a few moments till it will be downloaded. And now it is installed, so you can go back in your app list and find it right here, tap to open. And of course, make sure that WhatsApp is installed on your phone as well. And after that, you'll be able to synchronize your account. And that's all. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.